Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we will be making flaxseed hair shampoo, or you can call it flaxseed milk hair shampoo. And in this shampoo that we are making, we are going to use fenugreek here. You can as well use fenugreek powder. I have fenugreek powder, but I also want to show you guys here how to make fenugreek powder in case you don't have the powder. Also, if you don't want to use the seed, you can also soak this overnight and you can use the water instead of using the seed. Okay, you can just use the water you soak out from the fenugreek. And here is flaxseed. Okay, we all know flaxseed, it has this tiny seed. And another thing we are going to use is aloe vera and also castor soap. Okay, this castor soap is so good. A lot of people use it to, as liquid soap to take their bath. You can use this castor soap for whatsoever DIY that you want to use. Here, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own fenugreek powder. But in this hair conditioner that we are making, we don't need the powder. We need everything to be liquid. Fenugreek seed are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, K, and vitamin C. Fenugreek seed are used for hair treatment like hair fall, to improve hair growth, for itchy scalp, hair loss treatment, for dandruff treatment, split end solution, and it also works as a natural hair conditioner. Fenugreek seed not only kill bacteria and fungi present in the scalp, but strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. So the most simple way to prepare this flaxseed milk hair shampoo: soak the flaxseed and the fenugreek seed overnight to soften the seed or for hours, then blend them the next day. But as you can see on this video, we are using a different method to prepare this flaxseed milk hair shampoo by blending the flaxseed without soaking it first in the water. Flax seeds are essential for healthy hair growth. They are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which helps to nourish the follicles and hair shafts. So the next thing that we are going to do is to blend the flaxseed. In this video, you will notice that I sieve everything that we blend here twice in order to make sure that our hair shampoo comes out perfect and neat, to avoid having any leftover particles in the shampoo. These three ingredients, aloe vera, fenugreek, and flaxseed, is one of the best combinations for natural hair shampoo. If you're having problem of hair loss, itchy scalp, dandruff, you need this hair shampoo for your hair. Why we are using aloe vera in this shampoo is that aloe vera has enzymes that helps get rid of dead skin cells on the scalp. It moisturizes and helps in maintaining the pH balance, which results in hair growth. It is also an antibacterial. It treats fungi, it reduces parasites, it helps to treat dandruff, itchy scalp, treat hair loss, and also cools the scalp. While preparing this hair shampoo, always make sure you are using distilled water or boiled water. So this is the time to add preservatives. Guys, I don't use any specific measurement for preservative. I just put a little amount that I think that is okay for the hair shampoo. This for personal use. I'm not making it to sell. You just have to learn the method, then you can use you can measure your own preservative to add into your hair shampoo. As you can see on this video, you can see how foaming this hair shampoo is. It's even foam more than this, because if you watch the clips at the end of this video where I was washing my hair, you can see how this shampoo was foaming in the bathroom. So here I use my hair conditioner container that I've used to fill up this hair shampoo. I have 2 containers, and after filling up those 2 containers, I still have a little leftover shampoo which I used to wash my hair at the end of the video. So I'm adding these 2 essential oil into the flaxseed milk hair shampoo, rosemary and peppermint essential oil into the hair shampoo. Guys, this is the best hair shampoo I've ever used since I've been buying hair shampoo in the market. This is the best hair shampoo that I've ever used on my hair. Before, if I'm washing my hair will just be like it's clocking together, like you know, my hair would just be like it's tangling, some kind of stuff like this. But I was enjoying my hair in the bedroom. Originally, I don't used to use tap water to wash my hair, but I was washing my hair in the bedroom with tap water. I was enjoying it, and with this shampoo I can wash my hair with tap water over and over again. So I'm enjoying this flaxseed milk hair shampoo, and I'll advise you to try this and tell me what you think on the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe and join the family. Also, don't forget to put on your notification bell so that you always know each time I upload a new video. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. See you soon on my next video. Bye.